Hello friends, welcome to SK Food Recipes. In this video, we are going to see one of the sweet recipe that is Gaja sweet. It is very easy to make it and it is also very delicious to eat. It gives crispness while we eating. So let's see how to make it. Before entering into our video, if you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe it and also click the bell icon near there. So come on, let us enter into our video. First we have to make the dough. For that I have taken 1 cup of maida. Let us add it. And half spoon of salt. And 2 tablespoons of oil. Now after adding the oil, let us mix all those together. After mixing, it should be in this consistency until we have to mix all those together. Now let us add half cup of water. For 1 cup of maida, we should add half cup of water. We should not add this fully, we should add little by little. Now dough is in correct consistency. See how soft dough is. In this stage, we have to add few drops of oil and mix all those together. Purpose of adding oil, then only dough will not get dry. For that we are adding the oil. This have to observe for at least half an hour. Let us close with one plate and keep aside. Now we have to make sugar syrup. For that I taken one pan and put 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water. Now mix all those together. This have to boil for few minutes until sugar gets melted. It doesn't need any consistency. Only thing is sugar have to get melted and it have to boil well. Now let us add half lemon juice into it. Now mix all those together. Now let us off the stove. Sugar syrup gets ready. Now dough gets absorbed very well for 10 minutes. Let's open and see. Now let us roll the dough. Before rolling the dough, you have to mix the dough for few minutes. Now let us make the roll of dough. Like this. For 1 cup maida, 5 rounds came. Now let us roll the dough. Before rolling the dough, I have kept half cup of maida. Now let us roll the dough as we make for chapati. You have to roll this dough very thinly. Now I have rolled thinly. You have to roll like this. Let us make another roll like this and show you. Now let us make the sweet. For that I am applying little amount of oil on top of dough. Now let us make the dough. For that I have taken small amount of corn flour powder. If you don't have corn flour powder, you can take rice flour also. Spread little amount of corn flour powder on top of the dough. Now take another chapati roll. Now put on the top. Now again spread oil and apply it and little amount of corn flour powder You have to spread it again. Now put another roll. For this you have to take 5 chapati roll totally. Now again you have to apply as the same process. Now I have rolled the 5 chapati rolls. In right side corner of dough, you press like this. Then roll till the end. Now I have taken little amount of water. Now apply it like this. Then roll it. Now we rolled well, and all the end of the dough gets pasted well. You have to roll it like this only. Now take the knife and cut one end of the dough like this. You have to cut fully, like small pieces. Now take the dough like this separately. See, it comes in correct layer. Should be in this layer only. Now I have taken one piece. Now give one press in the center. After pressing this, we have to roll it in the chapati roller. You have to roll it like this. Now that's all. Our sweet is ready. You have to roll all like this. Now I have rolled all the dough. Now for frying the sweets, I have hotted the oil for few minutes. Now oil get hotted well. Now we have to put rolled dough into pan one by one. You have to fry 4 pieces of sweets. In one side of sweet, after it become golden brown color means we have to turn it. Now see, all sweets came in golden brown color. Now let us take outside and keep it in the plate. Now I have taken all sweets outside, and also you can eat this like itself. It will be very crispy. Now let us fry another batch of sweets. Now let us add all the fried sweets into sugar syrup. We have to dip well. Adding the sweets into sugar syrup video has missed, friend. Sorry for that. Now we have to observe it for 10 minutes. Then we can take it outside. Now all the sweets get observed well for 15 minutes. Now let us take it outside. Now after frying another batch of sweets, we have to do in the same process itself. Now another batch of fried gajar sweets also I have added into sugar syrup and transfer it to a plate. Now let us break one sweet and see how it is. While breaking the sweets itself, see how crispness it is. It will be very delicious to eat. We can make this easily in home itself, as it is in the bakery. Try out this at your home and also tell the feedback. and also share this recipe to your friend. Let us see in another good video. Bye bye.